Good afternoon once again. We're here at the Classic Heating and Air office, and I wanted to share a little bit of information today regarding thermostats. Really popular, really important topic for homeowners, business owners, everyone that has a HVAC control. And this is the thermostat we have here at the Classic office. It is American Standard 1050 thermostat. Yours may not look exactly like this, but a few basic functions of thermostats that I just wanted to share because they come in all shapes, all sizes today. You can get them, kind of customize them however you want. First thing I wanted to point out to share with you this afternoon, the menu option. Most thermostats are going to have a menu option, going to go through settings and some of the deeper options that your thermostat may have. But when it comes to Texas summers and the heat that's going to be here pretty soon, system mode on your thermostat, look for system mode. And here you're going to want that to be in cooling. Thermostats are going to have options. Obviously, cooling turns on the air conditioner, heating, turning on the heat. You also have perhaps an option for auto. That's going to automatically toggle between a heat and air conditioning mode. Very useful for this time of year. Here in the spring, we may have those cool nights where you'll want the heat on, and then by 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock in the morning, things start heating up. It'll automatically switch over to air conditioning. A great feature to have, especially in the springtime here in Texas. But go find the system mode on your thermostat, and that's going to be where you're going to change it from heating to cooling, or perhaps that auto mode if it has it. We'll cancel out of that. The other thing I want to share with you this afternoon is the fan mode. Again, may not look quite like this button, but the fan mode. We want that most of the time to be in auto. That means that whenever your system calls for heat or air conditioner or air conditioning, that's when the fan will run. Don't need it to run all the time necessarily, so we like to keep that in auto mode. It's going to help with humidity. It's going to help with your energy usage as well. So fan mode in auto is what we would prefer there. One other item that this thermostat has, this Nexia 1050 thermostat, it has an air cleaner mode. If you have an electronic air filtration or some kind of sophisticated air filtration system, that would be an option. Other than that, you can see it's got your indoor temperature. This one has your set point. So turn that up or down as needed, and you would hold it. So hold it wherever you'd like, whatever's comfortable. So as I stated earlier, your thermostat may not look exactly like this, although if you're interested in the latest, greatest thermostat, this American Standard 1050 is a great option. Got lots of features, lots of bells and whistles. But if your thermostat doesn't look like this, and there's certainly some simple options out there, our technicians have them on the truck. We keep them stocked, all shapes, all sizes, for every application in your home or business. So they can be quite personal. Thermostats are up to the customer. We just want to make sure that you know how to use them, when to use them properly. And if you have any questions, certainly give us a call. We can have someone come out, or we can help you on the phone. Whatever it is, give us a call. Thermostats are very important, especially this time of year as the weather heats up. Thanks. Have a great day.